Good evening, Rutgers Weather Watcher Evan LaGuardia here with your Monday, September 28th, 2015 evening forecast. Not bad out there for today. We had a temperature of actually a high around 81 degrees. Low of 56 was this morning. We're a little bit above that average low and a lot above that average high for 73. A record, nowhere near a record low of 35 degrees set back in 1947, and nowhere near, thank goodness, that high of 91 in 1998. And then sunrise and sunset times at the bottom of your screen here. Temperatures will change though as we have some storm systems moving through our area. That first storm system will be our cold front that moves through our area for Tuesday night into all day Wednesday, which could bring potentially heavy rain, much needed rain as we are in a drought. And then I don't know if you're up to date with on the news, but we have a threat for a tropical depression 11 that can pose a threat for over the weekend. That's Friday through Sunday. I'll talk about that in a little bit. And then we have our potential super soaker for the weekend ends next week with cloudy conditions on Monday. And I'll get to that in my 7-day forecast. For tonight's lows, you can see Sussex 61, Newark is 68, 66 here in New Brunswick. As we go down more south in our state, you can see we are mid to upper 60s for tonight. So we're a little above that averages, but like I said before in our headlines, that will change as storm systems approach our area for the rest of this week. And then as I pan out to the greater Northeast, we see Baltimore down there, 66, 69 in Philadelphia, 69 also in New York City, and then up there in Massachusetts, Boston is at 64 degrees. So nice, comfortable temperatures for this time of year. As you can see, you can't really see it that well. I wish I could move the screen over a little bit, but down here at the bottom of your screen, you can see that some of that is some of that cloudiness and that swirl, and this is that tropical depression 11 that could form as it comes up the coast here in the Carolinas. It could form into a tropical storm depending on where that track is and how warm the sea surface temperatures are. But right now, there are a lot of models saying different scenarios. Some spaghetti models are saying it's going to come headed right for our area. Some say it's going to come up the coast by the Carolinas. And then some others say it's going to make a right turn out to the east, out into the ocean. So we're not really clear about that yet. So stay tuned to Weather Watcher and your local news channels to see what to be prepared for. But the system that I am certain that we are going to experience Tuesday night into Wednesday is this cold front coming down from Canada, coming through our area. You can see the nice outline here of the lead of that cold front. That's Tuesday, 2 p.m. You can see at the top of our screen. We'll see some spotty showers here at this time. We're not going to see the bulk of the rain until Tuesday night into all day Wednesday. So it's going to be for nice potential for some heavy rain. Actually, we have some forecasts saying, some models are suggesting in Newark, New Jersey, about 3 inches of rain. So if you're close to there, mostly the whole state will be in heavy rain as this cold front then moves through all day Wednesday. We're supposed to experience some rain, and then by Thursday you can see just clouds, and we get some break in the precipitation as we might be getting prepared for that tropical depression 11. Here, as I zoom in closer, let's see how much rain we're actually talking about. For Wednesday morning, expect, if you're out and about that early in the morning, expect, bring a raincoat, umbrella, shoes, because it will be heavy out there. As we see down in our west here, heavy rain. As the time progresses here, we can see that red rain band and yellow band move through our area, bringing heavy potential rain and some gusty winds through our areas. That cold front moves on through and then moves out of our area, bringing temperatures down to more seasonable temperatures. And then by Thursday, we see that break of the rain. So just be prepared and cautious. And if there are floods, you see some flooded streets, just get out of there. As for our overnight, 66 degrees will be your low, light winds, and then mostly cloudy skies. For your overnight tonight. As you wake up tomorrow morning, expect 70 degrees, still cloudy conditions with the winds coming from the east-southeast to 4 miles an hour as we wait for that cold front to approach and bring us our super soaker rain. As I step out for our 7-day forecast, Tuesday tomorrow, expect temperatures 81 degrees as your high. Then as that cold front moves on through for Wednesday, expect heavy rain. Please be prepared. 72 degrees is your high, so you could definitely tell that cold front has moved through because we're getting heavy precipitation and those temperatures will start to drop. Thursday, we're only going to get a high of 66, so more seasonable temperatures. We get a break from the precipitation. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we could see that Tropical Depression 11 come through our area. We're a little uncertain now, but that will change as we get closer and closer to the weekend. So expect high of 62 on Friday, Saturday 66, Sunday 69 as we see the back of that storm wrap around our area. We're giving us even more rain. And then Monday we'll just leave some cloudy conditions. That rain will move, that storm will move out of our area, giving us just cloudy conditions, high of 69. So what to expect on Friday and through the weekend? Gusty winds and super soaker rain. So just please be prepared and keep up to date on Facebook, and stay tuned to Weather Watcher and your local news channels to what to prepare for as Friday gets closer, and see if the storm gets closer and closer to our area. In case you miss us, you can always catch us out on RUTV channel 23.1 every 15 minutes, at our Facebook page at RU Weather Watcher, at Twitter at #RUWeather, and our webpage at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Evan LaGuardia saying have a fantastic night, Rutgers, and be safe out in that rain.